In 2012, I was doing a CrossFit competition, and part of the workout was jumping up and down on a box. And I slipped at the top of the box, and I hit my shin on the way down.
So when I was 12, I was diagnosed with a brain tumor. I've had 2 brain surgeries, 36 rounds of chemotherapy, 24 rounds of immunotherapy, a lot of treatment.
The lump on my shin kept getting bigger, more painful. I probably had the tumor for 2 to 3 years and just didn't know it.
You can't really control what cancer does to your body.
Went through about 6 or 7 other surgeries, and it just never healed properly. And quality of life-wise, I talked with my doctor and kind of made the decision that it was best to amputate it at that point.
A lot of people think of someone with cancer as the opposite of health. But what I can control is the rest of my health. I can control what I eat, how much I exercise, how I feel besides the brain tumor.
When you're going through cancer, it's really easy to physically stop doing things because 1, you may feel like that's all you can do, and 2, no one expects you to do anything but that. And just because you're going through cancer does not mean that you need to stop moving.
I think any type of cancer, you just want to feel healthy, and for me, exercise has always made me feel the healthiest.
Exercise is absolutely crucial to recuperating mentally and physically from cancer. It's not a suggestion, it's necessary, it's crucial.
You might think before you get to the gym, you're dreading it, you're going, oh my gosh. But you just gotta trust the facts that you're gonna feel good after. You're gonna love the long-lasting effects it has, just how powerful and strong and in charge you feel.
It's having that ability to continue up with your fitness while going through something horrible on the back end, and that you push through something like that and we're able to still move, it makes you feel like you can go through nearly anything on this earth almost. So.